Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create this Umbreon inspired eye makeup look. Firstly, I'm going to use the tattoo eyeliner from Kat Von D to sketch out the eye shape. This is basically the shape like when you cut your crease by the concealer, but now you're going to outline it by a black felted tip eyeliner, and you would like to make the tail of it align with the tail of the brow. Then I'm going to use a black liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. to fill in the space. Make sure to make it clean and neat as possible. Then I'm gonna use the concealer as well as a small brush. Here I'm using an angle brush to clean up the edges of the black part. Now I'm going to use a shade called Abyss in the Morphe Chocolate Hill palette to patch on my black area to set it. Then I'm going to use the Vivid Halo liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics and draw a very sharp eyeliner. You would like to make it very thin and very precise. And wing it out along the line of the black pattern. Don't worry if a little bit messy, because you can use the black liquid liner. Use the black felted tip liner to fix it up. That is the easy part of this Umbreon inspired eye look. You can always fix it by the black eyeshadow and go again with the yellow eyeliner if you fix it too much. Now I'm going back to the Vivid Halo eye look and sketching out my my waterline liner. I'm gonna make kind of a sharp corner on the bottom part of my eye. Then using the black liner from Kat Von D to outline it. Honestly, this eye look kind of look like a drag queen eye makeup look, isn't it? I'm using the concealer to fix some flaws. Yeah. Then I'm gonna use the Vivid Halo liquid eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics to draw some circles onto my eye part. I think this is the hardest part of the look because you want to make it like really rounded, because this is the iconic, the signature pattern of Umbreon. And as I told you before, you can always go back to the black liner to fix it up. That is why this eye look is hard yet easy. I decided to sketch out more circle. This will give me like an Egyptian vibe. Then I'm using a lid lacquer from NYX Cosmetics, which is kind of the eyeshadow gloss, to apply it onto the whole eyelid. I really love this product compared to their lip gloss because it's not really sticky. And it's very lightweight as well, and especially the glossy effect is very amazing, so I love it. This is actually a nice touch to this eye look. And that's it. This is the end of the tutorial, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see ya. Bye.